Want to get the best scan quality from NAPS2? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your scan settings, including resolution, color mode, paper size, and a few advanced options. Once you know where these settings are, you can create profiles for different types of documents and scan much more efficiently. Start by opening NAPS2. Click the Profiles button on the toolbar, then select the profile you want to edit. If you haven't created one yet, choose New Profile. Your scan profile stores all of your scanning preferences, so you only need to configure them once. Next, click Choose Device and select your scanner. If your scanner doesn't appear or isn't working correctly, try switching between the available drivers, such as WIA, Twain, or ESCL. Yeah, different scanners work better with different drivers, so it's worth trying another option if needed. Now customize your scan settings. Choose the paper source, such as the flatbed or automatic document feeder, then select the page size, color mode, and scan resolution. I mean, for most text documents, around 300 dpi works well, while photos may benefit from a higher resolution. You can also adjust brightness and contrast if your scans need a little fine-tuning. If you click the Advanced section, you'll find additional settings like image quality, automatic blank page removal, duplex page options, and compatibility features for certain scanners. You don't need to change these for every scan, but they're useful if you're trying to improve scan quality or solve specific scanning issues. When you're finished, click OK to save the profile. Then press Scan and test your new settings with a sample document. If the results aren't exactly what you want, simply return to the profile and make a few adjustments until you're happy with the quality. And that's how to change scan settings in NAPS2. By creating customized scan profiles, you can save time and get consistent results every time you scan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.